Oh, okay. Mom, Dad. I am thinking about where we should go. Oh, yes. Oh, but I don't have money. Huh? Okay, it's okay. Let's go. I am sleeping. Me too. Huh. Huh. I feel nothing good. It's okay. Where will we go tomorrow? Hmm. Here's your coffee. Oh, thank you so much. Hmm. When did I make you up? Hey, hey, wake up! Where's my glasses? Oh, here. Hey, wake up! It has to be ready too. For what reason? For what reason? Where are we staying? Yay! Thank you, Mom, Dad. It's okay. We are ready to come here. Clothes are select. This shirt is my favorite. Okay, here we go. Great! Shh. Now let's brush. I'm so pretty. Great. My teeth are very dirty. I am ready. Hey, hey, come here. Oh, my bag. Go, get ready, go. Okay. Oh, this is good. And this is pants. Oh, great. Good sleepers. Let's go. Oh, great! Shh. Shh. Oh, now let's brush. I'm ready. Oh, my pin. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go, friends. Hey, Mom, I am very hungry. Okay. Oops. What do you want? I want cornflakes. And I want a sandwich. Okay, my daughters. Wait for a minute. Oh, ready to serve. Hey, here's your meal. Oh, thank you so much, Mom. It's okay. Oh, ready. Oh, thank you, Mom. Lying down, packing. Oh, my makeup. I love my makeup. And clothes. This good. This and this. Great. Oh, come on. Huh. I complete my packing. Let's go, friends. Let's go. Oh, come on, Mom and Dad. Okay, let's go. Okay, great. Huh. Oh, here's my bag. Let's go. Come on, Mom and Dad. Oh, hello. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Hey.